I'm starting now on the freshly washed hair, and the products I used here are Beautiful Textures and Shea Butter. So I apply the Beautiful Textures at the ends of my hair and then work my way up to the roots, generously applying the products on my hair. So I twist it from my roots down to the ends of my hair. I actually didn't mat it at the ends because I wanted it to be fluffy at the end of the day. Loosely twisting, I made the twist loose because I wanted a wavy kind of twist out. I didn't want the whole tight coils. I wanted something wavy, so I twisted it loose from the roots to the ends, and then at the end you coil up the tip of your hair, then go to the next one, separate them. I don't use tools to work in my hair, combs or tools to separate my hair. No, I just go in with my fingers and then slightly detangle the hair, slightly go with my product. So for this twist out, I experimented in a way. I used Beautiful Textures and shea butter on one side, that's the left side of my hair, and on the right side of the hair I used shea butter on that part without Beautiful Textures. So this is the end result of the hair. That's what it looks like, bouncy and fluffy. So I did put in this twist a night before the next day or a day before the next day. You can wear it for more than that. That's what it is like. So this is the end result of the hair. The side I used, this other side is the side I applied shea butter, and then the first one is where I used Beautiful Textures and shea butter, and this other side is where I used both products. So that's the outcome of the hair the next day after I unraveled my twists, and that's how I went out. And then on the third day, this is what it looks like. It's still neat and coily, but for the front is a little bit loose. That's it.